Hey people, lovely weather we're having. As I've been saying, my laptop is broken, so I've been using my phone to edit all my videos. Well, that changes today because I'm going to take the old hard drive out of the laptop, and I found this cable box that we don't use. We were going to throw it away, but it seems to have a 1 terabyte hard drive in it, so I'm going to take that apart and try put it into my laptop and see if it works. So as you can see, screws are not Phillips head, so I've got to break this open. So I'm just going to have to smash this straight open here. There's no way of getting the screws out because they're not even Phillips head. It's weird. So yeah, here's me using brute force to break into. Well, yeah, there we go. We got it out. One good hard drive. Now to take apart the laptop. Someone had taken apart this computer before. So the screws missing. There's a couple of screws, one of the screws is in the wrong place even, and it's completely worn away. Couldn't get the screwdriver in to fix it, to take it out. So problem, this screw will not be removed. Someone's tried to take it out before, no grip on it to take the little screw out. So we're going to have to find a way to do that without damaging shit. So that's the old hard drive coming out, and there's the two together. One on the left is a new hard drive going in, and we switch the caddies over so it'll fit in and won't be moving around inside the laptop. There we go, I've got a laptop. Last thing I had to do was load an operating system onto a USB drive, restarted and installed the operating system, and it's working fine. In fact, I'm editing this video on my laptop right now. From here on further, I'm going to have better videos, better quality. I've got a better camera now as well to make the videos. All I need you now is to like and subscribe to me so I can continue making videos. Lulu the cat. She doesn't care.